Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my another brand new video. Hope that all of you are doing great by the mercy of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I'm also fit and fine. And today I'm really very happy and also excited. And I don't know how can I express my feelings that how happy I am. I don't know any words how to thank all of you. And there is a special reason behind my happiness. So guess what? Why I am happy? 500 followers in my Facebook page Express English. I don't even believe it. When I create this page, I don't even think 100 followers in my Facebook page. I don't even think I can upload any videos. But I did it. 500 followers. Thanks all of you for being part of this amazing journey. It will not happen if all of you don't support me. So thanks for your constant support. Thanks for encouraging me to doing something great. It was not an easy journey for me because, as a working woman, as a housewife, as well as a student, I have to maintain a lot of things. I don't even get enough time for practice. I don't have any kind of opportunity to join coaching classes, doing courses, or even I don't have any kind of partners. I talk with myself. I try every single day, practice every single day with myself to develop my English speaking skill. So thanks all of you for being part of this amazing journey. Keep supporting me. Let's growing together and one day inshallah celebrate 100k followers in my Facebook page. Assalamualaikum. Have a good day.